So what do you do if you've bought a house and you find that the pool's a swamp? Let's see how to turn this green monster into something clean for summer. Got the pump in, so while we're waiting for that to drain, let's have a look at the equipment. Oh man, it's pretty old. So while the pool's draining, we're going to cut out this equipment and we're actually going to be moving it a little bit further down so that it's under a deck, and so that'll make everything look new again. Dave's going to be doing all the work today. Get him in the sludge. I'm just cutting up the filter and it stinks. We're getting down to the bottom where we're shoveling out the sludge and all the leaf litter that's accumulated over the years, and we've found a little friend. So this guy here is a common eastern froglet, very common to this area of Sydney. Gorgeous little thing. We're going to help him find a new home, rescue him from this pool. A filter is a big tank of sand or other media, and the dirty water from the pool goes down through the layers of sand and then back up the standpipe, returning the pool clean. You can see that after years, dirt has accumulated at the bottom of the tank. We've started to clean the pool and we just realised there's a lot of leaf litter and dirt on this rock embankment, and we think, well, we may as well clean that down now rather than that come into the clean pool. Because there's dark staining where the water was sitting for years with leaves breaking down and the tannins from those leaves, what we need to do is to give an acid wash to try and break that tannin down, and then high pressure wash. Might take a number of repeats of that, but let's see how we go. Righty, we've been at it all day, almost finished. Last rinsing out of the pool. Pretty much done, time to put in the hose. So since we started this job, we've had about 3 weeks of rain, pretty constant rain, and so I haven't been back until just recently to start putting in the equipment. So I haven't videoed installing all of that equipment because of the weather, but I will show you the finished product. Let's take a look. We've got an Astral CA340 media filter with glass media in it. We've also got an Astral P320 variable speed pump, and I haven't installed it yet, but I will be installing just here one of the new Astral Halo chlorinators. So I've just plumbed in an old cell for the moment. You can see I've renewed all of the 3-way valves with Jandy valves. I've also making allowance for a possible heater to be installed with a bypass, and we can now select either skimmer box. Originally only one of the skimmer boxes out of the 2 was actually connected to the pool. It's taken nearly 6 weeks to get to this point. You're ready for the big reveal. It was a swamp when we first started. We had to drain and high pressure wash. We then had nearly 6 weeks of fairly constant rain. We found 6 broken pipes throughout that process. We finally got the pool filled up, finally got the pool equipment ready. So let's have a look at the pool. While we were filling up the pool, we used a watering can to put chlorine on the walls, and that's now got rid of all of that dark staining. Hopefully you enjoyed watching us turn this green swamp into a nice blue oasis. The next videos are right there for you to watch. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button and share with friends, and stay tuned for some of our other pool transformations.